Hi guys, it's your girls TwinGodesses and I'm Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. But anyways, I have this brand new unit from WowAfrican.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check the description box down below where everything is going to be linked for you guys. But y'all, this is their brand new, I believe this is a light Yaki texture. If I'm not correct, I will leave it in the description. It's either a Yaki or a light Yaki. But this unit features their kinky curly edges. You guys can see it looks super natural once you put it on. It's just going to blend right on in. This also has their HD lace. Those knots are completely bleached and it is a glueless cap, so it does have the combs on the inside, the adjustable strap, as well as the elastic band for added security. This is the way the unit looks on me directly out of the box. Again, this is 20 inches long. I believe the density is 150%. The color is a really pretty natural brown, natural black color, and it does have those kinky edges, which looks so natural. You guys can part this unit on the side. You can put it in a middle part bust down. Whatever way you want to wear it, this unit is definitely giving looks. But now what I'm going to do is give this hair a bit of a salon silk press look. I'm just adding a little bit of my serum, and then I'm going to just go through the hair and make sure there's no tangles in the hair. And then I always use my Babyliss titanium flat iron. Y'all, that's going to get this hair super straight. I'm going to leave it down below in the description box in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and silk this hair out. So now what I like to do is lay the unit. I don't do too much because I really don't want to have to put in that much work. This unit doesn't need it. But I do take my 𝐃𝐄𝐄 wax stick and apply a bit of it to the hair. And then I like to go in with my hot comb just to lay the top as well as those edges, because we just want everything to look nice and tamed and neat. We're not straightening those edges. We're just laying it so that it's ready to wear. And y'all, this is how it's looking. I'm absolutely in love with this unit so far. It's super cute. You guys can see the parting space, and the hair itself super soft, lots of body, lots of movement, A1. But what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and get that lace cut off. One thing about WowAfrican is that you're definitely going to get your money's worth. Look at these edges. I haven't even glued them down. You can kind of see the lace, but it blends in so effortlessly, y'all. This lace, A1. But what I'm going to do now is adhere the unit down. Personally, I don't like to use any glues or anything like that, but I do use spray. So I'm taking my Bedhead Hard Head Mini Hairspray, or you can use any type of hairspray that you prefer, and apply a bit of it to your hairline and just blow dry it down. I like to also take an elastic band for melting purposes, just to get that lace to fully melt down into my complexion. You don't want to skip that part. That part is very important. But what I'm going to do now is just go through the hair and pretty much just get the hair to layer around my face. about 15 minutes. The lace is now laid to my liking. I am going to go and apply a bit of some powder just to further blend it into my complexion, as well as take a little bit of concealer to clean up that parting space. And this is what we're working with, y'all. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the shine, look at the lust, look at the texture. This unit is 20 inches long, and that is where it falls on me. I am 5'8" and my torso is relatively on the shorter end, so that is where it's going to fall. Again, this unit does come from WowAfrican.com. All of their information is going to be linked down below. This is their light Yaki kinky curly edge lace front wig. You guys can see that color and that texture. A1. Let me know what you guys think of this unit, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys.